Today's class is regarding Mission Indradanush 3.0. This is recently launched by the Government of India. We would check out what are the different objectives of this initiative. What is the main aim of Mission Indradanush 3.0? Intensified Mission Indradanush scheme has been rolled out to cover children and pregnant women who missed routine immunization during COVID-19 pandemic. So, the gap of non-immunization is being filled by Mission Indradanush 3.0. What are its features? It is to accelerate the full immunization and complete immunization coverage to children and pregnant women. The first one. Second one is it will be conducted in 250 pre-identified districts or urban areas across 29 states or UTs. So it will be conducted on only 250 pre-identified districts. All know that Mission Indradanush is part of the Universal Immunization Program. Main points to remember is that UIP, Universal Immunization Program, prevents mortality and morbidity in children and pregnant women against 12 vaccine-preventable diseases. So the immunization program is mainly focused on 12 diseases. And to accelerate the coverage, Mission Indradanush was envisaged and it has been implemented in 2015. So in order to give a boost to the immunization program, we have implemented Mission Indradanush in many phases in 2015. Now, we shall note what are the diseases that is prevented by the immunization program. That is the Indradanush. The first one is diphtheria. The second one is whooping cough. The third one is tetanus. The fourth is polio. Fifth is tuberculosis. Sixth is hepatitis B. The other diseases for which vaccine is given are meningitis and pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza type B, Japanese encephalitis, rotavirus vaccine, pneumococcal conjugate vaccine PCV, measles and rubella MR. These are the vaccine preventable diseases that is included in Universal Immunization Program. One thing we have to note is that vaccination against Japanese encephalitis and Haemophilus influenza type B is being provided in selected districts of the country only. It is not provided in every part of the country. It is being provided on the selected districts of the country. That's all about Mission Indradanush. It is basically an immunization program which is launched in phases to accelerate the Universal Immunization Program of India.